Been working past 2 days on my headlight switch, which I pulled out from here, right there. In order to get that out, you gotta, this sits up inside there, but this way, with this piece here is straight up. You gotta push down on this to get this knob out, and then after they get the knob out, then you turn, you do with one hand. But then you got to turn this and unscrew it and get it out, and it's holding onto this, but it's also got this piece in it too, inside, holding it on too. So it sits like that. Sits like that. Anyway, you guys all know that probably, but hey, I'm learning as I go. I've got an issue, I'm trying to figure it out. As I was messing with it, my tail lights started working again, and then they're not working again. So I'm guessing I've got a wire. One of these wires must be the tail light setup, and I'm going to have to check it. But first I'm going to find out through my repair manual. Hopefully it'll tell me which colored wire is the reverse. I mean, not the reverse, for the just for the tail lights only. Tail lights, not brake. It's tail lights. So, but I think the switch is working. It looks really good. It really wasn't very dirty when I pulled it apart.